Future hikers, hello.
Mads, say we out here. Say we out here.
We out of here.
Louder.
We out of here.
Perfect. Very perfect.
Okay, right. Tonight we're going to Leicester to watch a gig. Jack's boy is playing, so let's do this.
We out here!
We out here. We're lost. Hello, everybody of the internet. I'm here with a good friend of mine. Found him in England.
It's good to see you, Jack.
Hello.
I do love this man.
We out here.
Oh yeah!
We out here, baby.
We out here! It's time to go. It's time! You boys are pretty fun, Jack.
Oh yeah.
It's really fun. England! England!
Hello.
Hello.
We out here.
We out here.
Where are we
Trying to
at?
find the Uber.
Uber.
We at McDonald's.
Alrighty, chaps.
Alright, mate.
It was nice seeing you.
Have a good time.
It's nice
Yeah.
to see you too, dude.
Yes.
Bye.
Safe. Be good.
Love you guys.
Love you too.
We out here.
We out here!
Alrighty, hello everyone. So, today we said bye to my American friend that moved here. He joined a band. We went and saw him play last night and it was absolutely epic. But then we drove back to my aunt and uncle's, dropped Nathan's mates off, then got back in the car and drove all the way up to Bolton. So, my mom is doing an Ironman here tomorrow, which is very, very exciting. But we got here early so we can see her off in the morning. But right now, Nathan and I are about to go and have an explore of Bolton. Neither of us have been here before, but it looks like a very cool town. We're going to try and see if we can get somewhere to see the sunset. So. It is 4 in the fucking morning right now.
Got all the pros over here.
Hello.
Don't look at me and go take a picture.
We're in England.
Yeah, we out here. I'm alright, love. How you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
Doing good. And we're waiting for Karen to come out of the medical tent right now. We're not 100% sure what happened, but we're all pretty stressed right now. Doesn't seem like anything too serious. We're not 100% sure yet, but just to keep you guys in the loop, Karen is okay. She had a pretty bad crash and is out of the race, but she's okay. No major injuries, so that's really good. If you had to rate this trip out of 10, what would you give it?
12.
All
We
right.
out here.
right. So right now we're on our way to a really dope-ass hike to a f***ing cabin that used to be owned by Cadbury. What are we out here?
I told you just the bumper and the headlight. And what are you doing?
Can you say we out here for me?
We out here. We're in my lovely country.
Oh yeah?
We're in my lovely country.
What country is that?
We're in the UK, baby.
Are you mad? Cheers! Oh, I'm getting out of the car. This is bad, this is.
Excuse me, Mr. Sheep. Do you know Adam Stevens?
Down there, like,
By the sheep.
go down there.
We out here. We out here. Good morning from Wales. Shit is dope. Now we're gonna go possibly see some waterfalls. We don't know yet. Right, Liam? And it's home we go. Ooh. Alrighty, hello everyone. So, it's been a little bit since I did kind of a proper update, but the last couple of days we were out in what's called the Brecon Beacon National Park in Wales. It was really sick. I had a great time. You know, we had a really cool campsite. There were wild sheep and horses all wandering about, which was really cool. Honestly, it was just one of the coolest parks I've been to. You just could drive through a lot of it, although you could also backpack through it. We didn't have all the time to do the backpack. That being said, we got up super early this morning. We went and saw some waterfalls, which was sick. Got some really dope photos. I'm about to work on them right now. And I mean, honestly, for the rest of the trip, it's just a lot of chilling. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you very much for watching. I have another very fun trip planned here at the end of July. We're going up to see Mr. Mystery Guest. But we're very stoked for that, and that's going to be with some of the boys, so yeah.
Hey guys, Henry Northen here. Today I want to talk about Elon Musk and crypto. Yeah, it's really good. Yeah.
For what?
For the tree.
I'm in Akron, Ohio. We're going to fucking McDick's right now.
I'll stand on the ground.
How's your piss, mate?
Fucking fire. That was so good.
I'm gonna get coffee, but do you see the line for coffee?
Yeah.
It's insane.
Line
Insane.
crazy. Out of 10, how are you feeling this morning? 3? How is mom feeling?
Cold.
10 out of 10.
Enjoyed it here.
What's up, mate? We out here. Caught on camera. Dick. How we doing, love?
Fucking rock.
No cameras. It's content goals right here.
Good morning, Kanye.
Yay, yay. Not Kanye, it's gay.
And
No, we didn't because it bounced on the floor. That's another lie. You must be
in the car. It was in the car. It was there. Like you have literally damaged me. I have a lump on my head. Yes, I fucking do because I can feel it.
Colour's actually just viewing because I beat him like 3
Bro, you're okay. You're good at Mario Kart. You're good at Mario Kart, but you can't play anything else. Literally, I beat you on every other game. Nah, Knife, do not start chucking shit on my head again. Bro, that fucking rock hurt. How far are we from it?
I'm trying to look at it. 10 miles an hour.
An hour? Oh my fucking god.
It's because you got to drive round. We're literally the other side of it. Oh fuck, have we gone past it? No, we have. No, we have not. You're lying. You are lying.
We've already went past it.
No. We've.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, we should have gone onto it here. How have we got an hour past that?
Whoa, you little fucker. I reckon that you just run one over and roadkill it. Just eat it, eat it. Fucking kebab, we'll have a kebab. We'll have a
Kebab. Lamb shank.
Lamb shank. Yeah. 100%.
Oh yeah!
Let's go!
I don't even know who the mystery guest is, actually.
Yeah, Jackson,
What are we going to see?
He hasn't told us yet. I don't know who it is.
Who's the mystery guest, I wonder?
All we did is put the address into some random house, and that's where we're going. Our mystery guest has been revealed.